For those of you with a Dell Optiplex 3,000 metric tons, 5,000 metric tons, 7,000 metric tons, Vostro 3710, 3910, T3660, or even an XPS 8950, finding a reliable power supply replacement can be a real headache. Today, we're looking at the AC240EBS-00, a 240W power supply designed as a direct replacement for several Dell models. This unit is compatible with a wide range of Optiplex and Vostro desktops, including the 3,900 metric tons, 3,901 metric tons, 3,990 metric tons, 3,991 metric tons, and more. It also supports the Vostro 3690 series and even the XPS 8950, making it a versatile option. The AC240EBS-00 replaces models like the L240EBS-00, H240EBS-00, and D240EBS-00. So if you're seeing those numbers on your old power supply, this could be the perfect fit. The power supply features the necessary connectors, an 8-pin, a 4-pin, and an additional 4-pin connector, ensuring compatibility with the specified Dell systems. It supports a voltage range of 100-240V at 50 to 60 Hz, drawing 4.0A, and delivers a maximum output of 240W. The AMPBORE AC240EBS-00 is designed in the ATX form factor and uses a standard air cooling method. Its dimensions are approximately 7.36 by 3.23 by 2.44 inches, which should fit seamlessly into the designated Dell cases. If you're dealing with a failing power supply in your Dell Optiplex or Vostro, the AC240EBS-00 offers a reliable and compatible replacement option.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.